Welcome to Brain Vision.
First, we are going to calculate angle of static friction for square screw thread. So, calculating it, let it be as phi s. So, as we know this formula, so phi s is equal to tan inverse 0.35. So, we get phi s is equal to 19.29 degree. Now going ahead and calculating the value of lead angle for the square thread screw. So as we know that lead angle is theta. So here we will calculate the value of theta from this formula. So theta is equal to tan inverse L by 2 pi r. So putting the value here, we will get the value of theta. So after solving this, we get theta is equal to 2.7336 degree. Now going ahead, as W is equal to F here, so clamping force acting on the board can be calculated by using the equation M is equal to R W tan theta plus phi s. So putting here the value of M and is equal to F into 10 mm into 1 meter by 1000 mm. Tan under bracket 2.7336 plus 19.29 degree. So we got F is equal to 1977.72 Newton. Changing it into kilonewton, we get F is equal to 1.98 kilonewton.